All you gotta do is hit me, ma.
Donin tinlay damte donemo kulole Paris no white Tam hian kering lo lule Oite azwalze izule
Hey yo, ladies and gentlemen, players and feminine, I'd like to welcome y'all to the flyest Ace Man's women. Jinky, Bonnie and Clyde together when we rollin'. Jealous eyes on the side like, no, that ain't him. System on full blast with chrome wheels spinning. We headed down west side, it's big time sinning. Ace said it pretty, mommy got me all wishing. 5 foot 6 inches, smooth like linen. Pretty hot and tempting, and I know what she asking. No paparazzi flashing, her beauty is lasting. Versace class and a small hearted cashing. Got a skin tone to go with seasonal fashion.
Donin tinlay damte donemo kulole Paris no white Tam hian kering lo lule Oite azwalze izule
Yo, her friends on the side like they green with envy. Popping stories in the head like they seen in a movie. She's soon gonna find out it ain't a chemistry. No, it ain't gonna work out cause he's a celebrity. But she loved the way I do it though. Take it to a slow. Everybody know the kids since 2004. Ballin' ever since, who gonna do it like a roll? All I gotta do is call, then we hook up at the mall. So who gon' do what with a born as such? Plus, the kid be young and so skilled to bust. And she know it's all about trust, so much than us. My chinky chicka mommy, who hotter than us?
Donin tinlay damte donemo